In this video, I will be showing you how to design a custom Shopify logo for dropshipping. So the basic essence of creating a logo for your dropshipping store is that people will recognize your store name, and of course it needs to be trustworthy. So what we will do is open Canva, and that is basically a free editing program. So what we will do is click on create new design. And after that, we will go to the search bar, and there you already see the logo option. So we will select that, and now you will create a new canvas. So what you can do is basically search between all the available templates, but you can also, let's say we are doing fashion dropshipping. So we will enter fashion logo, and now all the available templates will appear within the fashion dropshipping. So what we can do is we can search between all those logos, and after that we can select one. But before we start, I would like to explain something about your logo, because you have probably done market research, and the important thing about market research is that you search for a country where there is good momentum. So what we will do, we are creating a logo for our market in the Netherlands. Now search for a nice template. Let's say we would like to use this one. And a very important thing about creating a logo for your dropshipping store is that we need to mention a big city of the country where we are active. That will create a lot of trust word with our customers. So what we are doing now is creating a logo, and let's say we call our dropshipping store Bo, and after that we need to mention a big city, so let's say Amsterdam. So now you have created a logo which is related to our store name and also related to our market, because Amsterdam is a place in the Netherlands, so people in the Netherlands will relate this store to a Dutch store, and that will create a lot of trust word with our customers. So that is basically how you create a logo, and the next step is to export this logo. If you have Canva Pro, then you can click on download and use the transparent background to make it with a transparent background, to export it with a transparent background. But if you don't have Canva Pro, then you can just deselect this and just export it as a PNG file and click on download. And we got a little workaround for that, because if you now go to Google and search for background remover, you'll find a lot of options. Just select this one, and now you can upload your logo over here, and it will delete the background of this logo, as you can see. So if you now click on download and then just use this one, we got a logo without background, as you can see, and we can use it in all our designs and also use it on our store. So if we now go to our store and we will change the logo, select from library, and now we upload our new logo without background. It will be added in our library, and now select it, and it will be uploaded as your store logo. And as you can see, our logo is now uploaded to our dropshipping store. And that is how you create a custom Shopify logo for your dropshipping store. Thank you for watching, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!